Welcome to the City of Miami's Permit Expediter Registration process. The City of Miami requires all permit expediters to register and provide a valid business tax receipt or occupational license pursuant to City of Miami Ordinance 14279. In this short video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to complete your registration through the iBuild portal. Let us begin by logging into your City of Miami iBuild portal. From the top menu, hover over Contractor and select Permit Expediter Registration. Step 1. Enter your personal and business details, including first and last name, email, and firm name. If your firm doesn't appear in the list, click Add New Firm to create one, then select Next. Step 2. Provide your business address and contact information. Be sure to include your business telephone number and click Next to continue. Step 3. Upload your valid business tax receipt or local business tax receipt PDFs. If you claim an exemption, select Yes and upload supporting documentation. Accepted files must be PDF format and 5 megabytes or smaller. Step 4. Review your information summary carefully. You can edit any section before final submission. Once everything looks correct, select Submit Registration. Step 5. You'll receive a confirmation page with your registration number. Keep a record of your Permit Expediter registration number. This number is required during application intake in the primary point of contact section. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided once your application is approved. Your Permit Expediter registration is complete. For questions or assistance, email Permit Expediters at miamigov.com or visit miamigov.com/building and search for Register as a Permit Expediter. Thank you for doing business with the City of Miami.